Hello everyone, today I'll be reconstructing Garrett's 2.73 Rubik's Cube solve, which is the fastest Rubik's Cube solve ever. So yeah, so the first thing he does is L prime, B prime, which that corner is solved, that edge is solved, and this edge is solved too. And here's the corner right here. Insert that, D2, and boom, double X cross, and then this pair is solved back here, so that solves that, and then here's this edge, the corner goes in here, so it's just a U2 to this, and then it's a fat soon, and then P'll skip U2. So a little faster, it looks like that. Alright, thanks for watching.